In this video, we'll take a closer look at what's inside your 3DuxDesign Sustainable Energy Kit and how to access the resources you need to spark curiosity, creativity, and real-world STEM connections in your classroom. Whether you're using this kit on its own or as a part of a complete STEM bundle, your students are in for an exciting, hands-on learning experience they will never forget. When you first open the box, you will notice a number of things. For starters, you will have a few flyers with important information along with a link to the free access pass. Then you will find a set of 8 individual Duxit rulers, which we'll discuss in a separate video. The Sustainable Energy Kit, or in some cases a different add-on kit, will be conveniently packed separately from the cardboard modeling materials. So the GoBox Classroom Kit is where you will find all of the connectors and materials for building. You'll see the QR code where you can access again the free resources that go with the project. You'll see some challenge cards included in the kit, along with some sample maker materials. These are a great example for people that did not get the maker kit, but you will not need those. And then you'll have all of the different connectors included in the box. As you can see, there is a wide variety of different shapes. Each is color coded, and very quickly your students will get used to knowing which angles and which connectors work for which purpose. There are over 400 connectors in the kit, which will supply materials for over 25 students working at one time. Next, you will find 40 sheets of geometric cardboard shapes with a total of over 500 actual pieces. They come pre-die cut, but in a cardboard form. The first set of students will be responsible for popping them out one at a time. It's important to note that while there are 40 sheets in total, there's actually 4 different types of sheets with different shapes on them. So each team of students should receive 4 sheets, each one looking different. If you're dividing your teams up into groups of 3 or 4 students, you'll most likely have extra cardboard pieces for later use. Keep in mind, you can also use any recycled cardboard with our connectors for endless unique shapes to work with. You'll also notice that there are several pieces that have small holes in them. They are perfect for straws, little metal brads, and other components of the machine maker kit for making linkages, levers, and pulleys. The Sustainable Energy Kit has 8 complete sets of materials designed for teams of 3 to 4 students working together. In the top tray, you'll find sets of 4 jumbo-colored bulbs, and under these blades, we included a set of quick challenges that can be used for lighter projects or classes constrained to under 40 minutes. You'll also find on-off switches and rubber bands used for securing components. In the lower tray, you'll find motors and plastic blades that can generate up to 20 volts and work with up to 4 bulbs in series. The voltmeters measure between 2.5 to 40 volts. Our solar panels at 3 to 5 volts will light a single bulb. The spool of conductive tape is easy to tear and share and great for constructing clean, functional circuits, while your double-sided adhesive is great for stabilizing models, especially on those windy days. Our exclusive 3DuxDesign storage box helps keep the sustainable energy components safe, tidy, and easy to store for the next use. This kit also includes a full lesson focused on helping students learn about building complex circuits and designing sustainable energy solutions in the context of real-world communities with specific climate and geometric constraints. Teacher resources include a facilitator guide and a video tutorial. Your student-facing materials feature a slideshow, team worksheets, and optional quizzes. The 3Dux Design Sustainable Energy Kit is versatile enough to introduce elementary students to simple circuits and broad concepts in renewable energy, while also supporting advanced electrical engineering, physics, and mathematical exploration for your middle and high school learners. However you choose to use it, the 3Dux Design Sustainable Energy Kit will have your students collaborating like engineers, thinking critically like urban planners, and designing real-world solutions that make STEM learning exciting, relevant, and an unforgettable learning experience.